all the code. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, ang pag-uusapan po natin yan ay ang tungkol sa utang. So nag-offer sa akin si Salmon.ph guys dahil naka-fully paid na ako sa bag ko na inutang ko nun sa SM Mall. So ito yung offer nila sa akin na 30,000 pesos. So itry nating i-click tong link guys kung magkano yung interest nila kung 30,000. Kung magkano yung monthly at yung term na pwedeng pagpipilian. So, ito na guys. Pwede mong makuha yung cash loan mo within 3 minutes. Then, no additional documents needed. Then, affordable monthly payments. Small interest rate, no hidden charges. So, ito yung 3 easy steps to apply. Then, choose how much you need. So, halimbawa, kung gusto mo lang ng 20k, so pwede. Then, choose your loan terms. If you want na 1 year or 2 years or 6 months, ganun po yung loan terms. Then, decide how to receive your loan. So, halimbawa, gusto mo sa GCash lang i-receive or sa bank account mo. Ikaw mamimili kung saan mo ipapa-receive. Then, sign the contract. So, read the loan agreement and sign it via OTP so we can transfer your money. So, magsisend sila ng OTP para ma-transfer na yung perang ilo-loan mo. So, ito na guys, yung loan terms. Choose your preferred loan amount and payment period. So, halimbawa guys is 30,000. So, tingnan natin yung, So, kung 12 months, 3,980 yung babayaran. So, kung halimbawa 9 months, 4,810. If 6 months, 6,490. If 3 months, so 11,580 pesos. So, sobrang laki guys kung 3 months mo lang babayaran. So, much better kung medyo mataas yung terms ay yung period na pwede mong mababayaran. So, kung halimbawa guys, 1,000 lang yung ilolon ko. So, ito na guys. So, if 12 months, 140 lang. If 9 months, 160. 6 months, 220. Then 3 months, 390. So, i-continue lang natin ito guys. Halimbawa kung maglo-loan tayo. Then, type of account. Halimbawa, GCash, Maya, BPI, BDO, Union Bank. Then, i-click natin itong GCash guys. Then, mobile number. Then, click continue. Then, review lang natin guys. So, loan amount ko is 1,000. Payment period, 3 months. Monthly payment is 390. Then, ma-receive ko yung pera ko sa GCash. Then, i-click lang natin itong continue. Then, i-check lang natin itong I have read and agree with the terms and condition of this contract. So, click check and then sign contract with OTP. So, i-wait lang natin itong 6-digit OTP guys. So, ito na guys. So, nakuha na nila yung application. Woo! So, guys, ito na yung niloan ko sa Salmon ngayon. So, nakita ko na sa apps ko. So, ito yung 1,000 na niloan ko sa kanila. So, click natin itong see all. Then, yung every month ko guys is 390. Then, magbabayad ako sa March 28. So, yun lang guys. Madali lang palang makalon dito sa Salmon dahil within 3 minutes, na-approve agad ako at ito na yun guys. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.